All right, we're doing the first procedure. The it's part A of electric fields. Once again, we're skipping the galvanometer measurement and we're going right to the voltmeter measurements, which is what we would have done in a face-to-face lab. But here we have the layout. I'm going to go ahead and put a grid that'll help us place these in a strategic area. So put one right at this crosshairs there, and put one right there. Let's measure the distance between them. Okay, we got 1 nanocoulomb and another nanocoulomb, and the distance between them 652 centimeters. It's probably we can use 650 centimeters, rounded off. That's I'll take a shot of that, and let's retire that tape measure. And now let's start plotting equal potential lines. So we've got our positive here. We've got our, well, first, before we do that, notice the shape of the waveforms. If you compare that to figure 22.1 in your lab report, figure 22.1C, it's an electric dipole. And I want you to compare that with the figure 22.1 in your lab report. Now let's start taking measurements and draw that. Now, what are those green lines? Those are equal potential lines. Those are equal potential lines surrounding our charge of 1 nanocoulomb. So there we go. Fill this out, populate this out, and then we'll take a photograph of it. Okay, now, if you've noticed, it's been showing you values, but I haven't been recording those because we can just display those values with that there. At this point, I'm going to take off the grid. I think it might make it a little easier to read. So we'll take a shot of that, and that'll be part of the data that I send you. And I think that's it for this section. I tried recording it with these very close together. It didn't show any additional information, so I'll just leave it like this. All right.